my god, that crunching does not sound good.
Oh, look at that. Leave it.
Oh my god. This is terrifying.
Did he rock it through no problem?
We're goody. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, we'll fucking full send it here, eh? Oh fuck, there's a train! Good thing I was low enough, eh? Yeah.
What's with everyone having jizz all over everything? Everyone did a shoulder shrug. There's jizz on everything.
Alright boys, doing well on the trading. I want to make a video that's going to be kind of interesting. It is the pandemic and it is lockdowns here still in Canada, but I'm itching to go, boys. I was just on a call with somebody that I know that lives in Miami, haven't met them, and I got invited down there. So we've been banging it on the charts lately, rocking. I think it is Tuesday today. I'm sitting on 4R. We've had a few good trades. I am just looking at edge wonk here and I got one wrong. I got a few right. So I'm at an 80% hit rate here for this week so far. Look at that background. Oh, that's a beautiful background. Oh, that's a beautiful person too. Oh God. Just talking to this girl, she said, come to Miami. I said, okay, let me just make sure that I can get there and I can get back. There's about a week of time that I don't have anything planned. Usually I'm incredibly busy, and it's gonna be right before that live stream webinar thing. So I'm gonna go the week before, I'll come back, I'll make sure that I don't have the sickness there coming back in, so I don't have to do the hotel quarantine. If I do, then I'm gonna have to do a hotel quarantine on the way back in, and I'll have to do that webinar from a hotel, which is fine, but the whole week anyways, I'm going to be doing a live stream for 7 days straight basically, so I don't mind being quarantined for a week there. But first of all, boys, I need a laptop. So this is going to be an expensive fucking video. I gotta go buy a laptop. I gotta go buy a second screen. This is going to be all my gear for when I go travel Thailand as well, and Bali. So I gotta get all prepped for that. Then I gotta buy the tickets, and then I'm probably going to get some tickets coming back into Canada for, you know, not following the rules or something like this. This is going to be a good, you know, $3,000 to $5,000 for this. So what's so funny is the people who they try to talk you out of it. They say, you know, don't do that, it's dangerous, right? You don't know these people down there. You don't know if you're going to be able to get back into Canada. You might have to go to a hotel. You know, it's all this. You could have to have all these things. This could be, you know, something that's a bit riskier, but then you're living your life in fear. In my opinion, it's just as safe. Like I'm going to be able to take care of myself. I'm not going to do anything stupid. Like I'm not going into dangerous areas. I'm going to a safe place, which is Miami. It's just really funny to see the different reactions I'm getting from friends. People are saying, don't do it. They're like, this is ridiculous. And then other friends are like, very supportive. They're like, that's super cool. I'm excited. But I think it's gonna be worth it because I'm really itching here, boys, and I've been killing it on the charts lately. Ethereum is blasting off. Euro USD has been so predictable. It is just so easy, guys. What do you guys think of that watch there? That is, it's a thick watch. I've never had a watch this heavy before. don't think. Rolex is about that heavy, but this one's super thick, really dense, strong brown color, dark brown. Should be a nice accessory. That's all. Dang, seriously boys, look at that recovery on Bitcoin. Absolutely unreal. That wick, that daily is gonna close out in about an hour. Should be right around there. That looks beautiful. We should be able to bang out 70K in no time. Just headed out now. Gotta go pick up Ash at work. Then we're gonna go shop for a laptop there together. Something for the Miami trip. Hopefully we can get a side monitor too as well. I'll show you guys. There's a little passive aggressive note sitting at this front door here. I'll show you guys really quick on my way out here. Another one, right there. That's all for me. So Ash doesn't know yet, I haven't told her yet that we made, I think it's approximately 10R. I can't remember the exact number that we actually came up with. Maybe we'll grab some dinner or something to celebrate a little bit, see what she wants to do. Also kind of surprise her that we made 10R last night. We'll get the laptop. We're gonna basically blow all the money right away because all this money that I made I'm spending on Miami trip. You know, the hotel's like $1,000, the flight's like $1,000, the COVID tests are like $1,000. The laptop's gonna be more than $1,000. Basically blowing it all immediately just for this trip. So it's a good time to make this money, right? Guess what?
What?
Guess how much I made yesterday?
Ow. 23.
23R? You jerk! Not a chance. I made 10R last night.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, 10R last night. So, I guess we gotta go have some nice dinner or something too. And you're gonna buy me a laptop. I'm gonna buy me a laptop and you're gonna help me.
I'm gonna buy you a laptop.
Oh, and guess what? The neighbors are complaining about me again. Friggin' I left some garbage out on the in the hallway and they complained about it.
Oh.
Right, let's go. Aspire 7 gaming. I like this one. So we're gonna get like an extra monitor there, one of these guys, super thin. Also just looked at the Acer Aspire 7. He was showing me some other ones that are like $2,000 that are like super great gaming ones, but they weren't in stock. And the screen was like 14 inches. So being a trader, you know, we need the larger screen size. So we're definitely gonna go with the larger screen size. I'm gonna tell him to just tell me what to buy, I think. What do you think? We need like a laptop mouse or something probably too?
I think so, like the Bluetooth.
Yeah, like
maybe wired might be faster.
I'm gonna have to check to make sure there's Ethernet on that one. Yeah, Ethernet, perfect. That's the one. HDMI, everything. Wait, no, this is the wrong one. It's this one. Yeah, Ethernet, perfect. I think this one's perfect. I think that was nice and easy. So 1860 for this. Awesome. Put it on the business, eh? Tax free. Alright, yeah, so we'll go over this again. We got the mini one. Just for the travel, it's a little bit smaller, so we're actually going to be able to use it. I wanted also a big one to replace that stupid, shitty Amazon mouse that I have there at home, but that's just kind of going overkill. But this should do well for the travel, so over the next year, we'll completely pimp the thing, kind of like Mamba. Shout out to Mamba and his freaking setup there. He's got a nuts setup.
You're like so, like fisheye on you.
He's so fish-eyed, hey? I'm gonna drop this off in the car and then go out for dinner.
Sure, where do you want to eat?
Somewhere stupidly expensive that I won't fit in. Just because I haven't farted in here very much. That's why it smells like a new car. Asia market's about to open, guys. I am unbelievably good at trading. So I'm going to trade off of my phone and I'm going to have my first loser because I'm talking myself up now of the week because I just keep fucking winning. Bitcoin going to be closing bullishly. I think if we close at 38, we're good for the week. So we're just checking out the Asia Open here. I'm going to be looking for shorts today. You can really see It's just crashing down as of yesterday still. So we're still looking for some shorts coming into the Asia Open. I'm hoping to get down to kind of this green line, which is the Monday Open. Hopefully today at some point we can get down there. Bitcoin, turns out that it closed the daily actually just below kind of the level we were looking for here, but usually sometimes it actually does that. It actually does that and then it starts pumping up, and you can see it's actually started pumping up already, but it sometimes does that just to bait people and then starts pumping up. So that's just how Bitcoin kind of runs. So I'm still pretty confident in Bitcoin going bullish here. So we'll just wait and see. Georgie, Silas. Hey bud, meows. Hey, I got a present, Georgie. I got a present. Open this way here. Georgie and Silas. What you got? Oh, you got dental sticks. Oh, yay! And you got a bottle of wine.
First class flying. Good evening, first class passengers. And welcome on board your flight. We'll be taking off in a meowment.
Boys, I swear the world is out to get me here. But that's okay, because if you have a positive outlook on life, everything is fine. I got a vehicle inspection check on my Jeep after getting the new Jeep. Wasn't street legal. Had to get a bunch of mods on it. The second I got it back, parked it on the side of the road, it got towed. Thought it was stolen this morning. Then I got a passive aggressive note from my neighbors. These neighbors, they complain every other week now, guys, but everything is great because my trading is going fantastic. My travels are getting ready to go. I'm going to Miami next week, and we're going to quickly talk about how I made over $7,000 in the past day of trading here, boys. Let's look at some of the trades I took here and show you a little bit of proof. Okay, so we can quickly see here, I actually decided that we will actually just show the actual trades here. A few different trades. We took 1, 2, and 3 trades, and we just kind of cut profits really quickly. This is an account that is being mirrored from another account. That's why there's no stop losses or take profits, but you can see it's 3 trades over the past 3 days, and we can just take profits there. And this is where we took our profits. They're all very close together. I like to close them out very quickly using that magic keys there. Shout out to the magic key creator there. What's his name? Wicks Don't Lie. Over $7,380 here. That was just on the past day of trading. So the day of trading, let's look. There was 3 trades taken, and we're actually going to say that we made more because we got swerved on 1 trade that we actually wanted to take. And it was just barely 1 pip off, so this video title is going to actually be a higher number. Right, guys, so the first trade here on the Asia session, we were looking at the higher time frame. We were in a large up move here in the Asia time frame, and we hadn't quite hit those highs yet, so we were still in a strong bullish move. And there's no reason for us to not be bullish at this point, so we continue being bullish until we see otherwise. Right into the Asia Open, we saw some lows here being swept, and then the rally in the other direction here. Now if we look at the chart, we can see on the 1 minute it gave us a nice little kiss after rallying back up. We got in on that kiss, and then we shot for 4R. I did, however, take profit. You guys saw I took profit at 2R, 3R, and 4R, so it gave us an average of about 3R on that trade. I think 2.7, something like that is what my final was. By the way, guys, all of these trades were taken in the Signal group, and there's proof in the Signal group as well. So the next trade setup, I wanted to take a long again here, but we were looking at on the daily here, we actually saw these tops being swept and then started dumping back down. So when we wanted to get, when we wanted to get into the long, I was a little bit hesitant, and I waited to actually see how that formed out. And it actually looked like we were dumping back off after we swept those highs. So we looked for a long on the rejection of this order block, right? Saw this short on the rejection of that order block, and then we dumped back down. We took a short right around here, and we actually used a little bit wider stop. But we used a wider stop, and then we targeted only about, I think, 2R roughly on this trade, and then we were able to bring us back down to kind of this demand zone. Looking at the New York session, we were as well looking for shorts now because we did see that daily sweep continuation into the short side. We wanted to look for a short coming into New York. New York gave us a beautiful short here right on kind of 5:30 a.m. my time. We saw kind of this topping action, and then I saw, okay, it's obviously just a retest of this previous zone here, right, of that zone right there. Topping, we saw a couple sweeps of those tops and then dumping back down. A very, very tight short here, and we got in roughly around there with a stop right at the top here, and then we targeted only 3R on this one. All right, another trade that we wanted to take into the London close was after we saw these sweeping of the high here and we dumped back down once again. I was actually looking for a short here, and we barely missed it by 0.1 pip. We wanted to enter on this retest after we dumped back down, and we would have shot down for that same 3R, so we would have had the same profit result as this one. So we can say that we got over approximately 10K in one day trading this account. If we had gotten this one filled, it would have been at least another 3 grand. So that would have been absolutely perfect. So we're titling this video that we would have gotten 10K in one day. So if you guys wanted to just see the proof here that we were actually taking these trades, well, here you can go. You can see we have the 1 trade, the 2 trade, and the 3 trade all right there in the signal group. Everything was posted perfectly fine as normal. If you like that content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Hunter FX. I'll see you guys next time.
Listen.